What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to continue working on our 2020 Ford Mustang GT. As you know, in previous video we have started deassembling certain parts. Today we are going to continue with that. So let's bring the car outside and I will show you what I'm going to do today. Okay guys, the car is outside now, so we are going to start with removing the trim pieces like this one, and then we will go ahead remove this trim piece. Same thing on the other side. Also we're going to try to remove this liner and the other liner. I think that should be it for the inside, and then we will go and work on the outside. So panel on this side is completely removed, and you can see this cable, we have to remove it. This is the wire for our defroster, so let's just unplug it. So now we are going to start removing the side skirt. So it's very easy. There are some clips behind here. We are going to remove those first. Same thing on the other corner, and then there are some underneath. Once we remove that, there are some clips are holding the side skirt itself. So let's go ahead and remove it. Now I'm going to remove these clips. It's underneath the car. There are approximately 8 clips all the way. So there was not enough room to remove the clips, so I needed to lift the car. So one of the rocker panel is out. This is the clip I am talking about. There are 11 clips all around the rocker panel. So what you want to do is push one side first using the tool, and then once that side pops out, there's another side still stuck in. Use the tool again and push it, and whole clip will come out safe. So now let's go on the other side and remove the second rocker panel. Alright, both of the rocker panel moldings are out, so we can go ahead and start removing our quarter panel glass. I have removed this weather strip to get the access around the glass. Also, this rubber seal is a part of the glass itself, so we have to find a way to get access around the seal. I am using this tool to remove the side glass and the rear glass. let's use it and see how it goes. I tried two different methods to remove this glass. First one didn't work because the urethane is too deep inside, and the second one is damaging our glass. So I have to find something else to remove this both glass. So I think that's all we're going to do today. In next video, hopefully we can remove these two glasses and probably it's ready to go on the frame machine. So I'm going to talk to the frame guy and let's see what's going on. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like and share below. And if you want to support our channel, please hit the subscribe. See you next time.